Hi everyone, Tenzin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to meet my brother's teacher who's 89 years old. He lives in Kandem Monastery. Well, currently I'm staying at the Debung Monastery guest house. It's about 2 kilometer walk from here. So come along with me and I show you where my brother and his teacher live. Stay tuned. There's a cute doggy. Hello, Mr. Doggy. Weather is perfect to walk with one umbrella. Let's go. Hello, I meet him once again. It's so cute, lizard. I just reached my favorite spot. Check it out, it's so beautiful. Ding 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 ding. The poster is nice, yeah. Oh, it's so cute. It's really hot and I'm so tired right now. Gonna grab some water and momos for my brother and his teacher. I'm in game number 3 now, guys. So many dogs. Here I'm going to have tea and water and take some rest. Feeling so tired now. Here we get best tea in the town. I got my water. Feeling so tired and hot.
ये कितने का ये
I don't want to have tea now, it's too hot. Just finish one bottle of water. Now I'm going to buy momos. Lemongrass water, right? I'm in this favorite restaurant in Monastery, Tibetan restaurant. Here we get best momos in the town. You should try if you visit here. And owner give me this hot lemongrass water. Oh, it's so hot. This is the restaurant, pretty old but very famous in the town.
थोड़ा ड्राई फ्रूट रखने का थोड़ा काम करेगा ना अंदर
Lemongrass water is so good. 터치 빠진지. 뭐. 걔만 그냥 용이 뚝쇼.
같이 있어.
빠르게 오므라les. I got my momos. Yeah. I got my momos for everyone and then I'm going to buy Loving. This is one of the oldest momo shop in this town. Game number 3. Shopping center in the village. Bags for sale. Different types of bags, shoulder bags. I came here to buy loving, and loving is extremely cheap here. It's like 40 rupees, everything. The most expensive one is cold noodle, 50 rupees. And this is the restaurant. Owner is Tibetan. He's making loving now. I ordered loving without soup. This is chili sauce, garlic sauce, and loving. Yellow loving, white loving. There's two types of loving. Got my loving. God, I have so many things to carry. I think I catch an auto. Auto! I think it's too hot to walk around and too heavy to carry this momo. So it's better to take an auto. Auto here. कांदे कितना भैया? कांदे कितना? सिब्जू.
YouTube है.
YouTuber. New YouTuber. I'm going to Kande now.
Yeah.
He's a YouTuber. Yeah.
What is your YouTube name?
Benzin Namchi. Guys, I reached Kanden and to pay 40 bucks. Thank you.
My Instagram page.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you. Auto driver is so kind. He's like, you have to speak Hindi and you get more audience. But my Hindi is so bad. But I'm going to learn it. Especially Kannada and Hindi, everything. I think I have to learn it. I reached my brother's place. Oh my God. It's so heavy. It looks small but so heavy. Oh, food. I reached my brother's place. My brother's teacher is coming. 89 years old. I'm going to pick up my brother's teacher. To go down. Okay. Just lay. Kia kwapi? Mongkot. Ale, ngasong kurang iro kusira. Kia cikgu tebe. Oh, lele. Kela is here. Tanggul le wasam soage. Chapos. Shukta chimushuchi. Kela washing his hands. Karege. Momo 차부 추 아르르냐 라고 들으시죠.
Hello, I'm a Shishel
这么来哪边？喂，哦，हमारा फोन ले बात देने का बात क्या आंसर का? ओके।
ये नंबर है ना?
ये नंबर है।
ओके
ओके है ना?
चलो लिख लेता।
Hello了，年名了成就是有了。你看咱们了，要我去了，接什么叫？My name is 成就。罗个子的？罗松。3 years old. I am a monk. Monk. Now we are going to have momo with Chanju. And this is my big brother. It's dinner time. Garlic bread. Monastery food. Veg food.
O dedi zaten.
Bunu ben geldik. Chanju momo yomada.
चलो बाले सा
Vale sad.
कैसा
I'm eating momo and loving. John, Gino, monks are playing games now. Sani gomba shela yomus. Lande.
Suyuna.
Chachang shelas.
Ona
Jumbo.
da yoyo buravan. Yoyo da kalada.
Tanga cho xiao si ki.
Ya, da sonra kalıyor.
Gomba jiao lo.
Kobacağı.
Oh. Na wu cha. Je lu lu. Kiếm qua đây ao kìa. I'm going back to my guest house. Alright guys, I'm back in my guest room. Enjoyed my day with my brother and his teacher. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you can get notification. Thank you. Bye for now. Good night.